All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning to you. I am not going to waste much time in this video because Lasuba decided to share her tears to the public. Yesterday, when we were streaming live, I told you that Lasuba and people like her will come back. They will start their propaganda. I made a prediction, and that prediction is here to, to represent. Just like I predicted that they are going to turn things around. They're going to twist the post that DPM made, where the post that she announced her intention to run for Senate. Okay, and that post, people have said a lot of things about it, like reacting on that post in a positive way. But those negative-minded people, of course, Lasuba is not just negative; she's just evil, and then nothing good will come out from her. That's just a fact. I said it before. But not only, when I was making that claim, I was not actually, focusing on her alone. But I know that some people who have a different intention, who may want to say something in regards of what is going on about the intention of DPM contesting for Senate seat using Georgia as her state, and many people don't understand. But listen, like I promised you, I'm not going to waste much time. Lazima have something to say. What she said here is in regard to what I told you that she's going to do, and pay close attention to that video because the video is just funny. It's quite funny, but you know what? Being Lasuba, you cannot expect any other thing than funny things, isn't it? So Lasuba says something here. Let me bring it to you the way it's supposed to be. But before then, please make sure you like the video, and of course, subscribe to the channel without wasting much time. Very, very important that you do so. I would like to choose, where to start. Listen. Now listen, let me take it back a little bit. Don't mind her. For your job. Listen.
Right from the beginning. If I don't know what I like, if I like, when things name on a new job. There is no genuine joy because now I life from the beginning. There is no genuine joy because of now from here with life from the beginning. So are there more supplies and the only thing no one may punya. The only thing no one may punya on the bias no punya holiday cabra. There is no nya on the cabra that na. Ngozi afọ m ebe ndị otu ya na-etele ihe congratulation na enjoy jikwere ahụ ọ gịnị amamụ minista nke ọwa amamụ na onye nwawo amamụ minista nke ọwụ ya wụlụ. I don't care. The only thing I care is that now
you actually care. That's why you are even talking about it. So the tears is just starting. Listen.
I told you people right from the beginning. I told you people now goes on a wall of money to has and the people do one, what I'm okay. Oh, one yanine, okay, Jalafadindo, for a week, and Dala, Evangeline, Dala, Noromia. La Arab, Umon came
and their lab, go up in their lab. Go and also work at Sudanese woman, and have children from different men. So also give no cocoa. Before now, I remember the marriage because of cocoa. We have 8 children from different father, But listen, you don't need to bring about somebody's children to your saga. But for a fact that you are not well trained, even though you are of age, but you don't use your brain, do you? You don't. How can you come and begin to talk about, oh, no room for? This is somebody's private life. I'm not saying that what she said is true, but whether it is true or not, she don't have right to discuss somebody like that. But she will want to raise dust because if you know if you get me, negent.
Nigeria at all. So this woman can never Nigeria life this thing and all you mean. Also, what anything like that place. No America. So when it's anything they enjoy, do it may fungos no guitar, Nigeria, Haji meeting gay is will be. For talk when I can go nada variable. Okay, that nearly to score terrorist gun group get the variable. So, or try to negotiate the business. We want to negotiate for business.
Imagine being this woman's age with wearing eyeglass because maybe she's having, sight issue, which can happen to it's not only age, right? But as a matured woman, because based on your age, imagine coming out on social media, lying to the general public on things that you know that does not exist. Like something that is too obvious to you that this thing is not like that, but you're actually saying that it is like that. Not what that she's available, that the elite squad they're available to be used. These are life for pit of hell. When the issue of availability was only mentioned when DPM normally called people that saying that she's normally said that I am available for negotiation. Let's discuss. A sign that she's not for war. She's actually opening door for people that want to reach out to her for everlasting peace.
So, are there more supplies? And they want to make it with their best. It wasn't that now you have dragon on the year win. I don't care.
Another lie.
Kid decided because he because nobody funny.
Orabueze Jogujido for yet. It cannot mayis in a since you know there's no Jogu Jido it's quite a bad day, but or the amount of the meaning of Madi Jogu Jido. So all Koya ho Jogu Jido for Kaina attested. Chekweyeche, all Guagunga, not me, Chekweyeche. Normally, all this you are doing it to somebody who you know from your own mouth. You agree, you admitted that she has offer, no joke, offer. Yet, I don't care.
Social media, I mean, steady. All one was deceived, all go to deceive. I could when you phone him. I didn't mean with you at all.
It's a lie.
Because the only was made on the pussy and social media. On a job Biafra, but the other job Biafra. Karate
was not that job Biafra. Oh, what could that job Biafra now? This is the lies that woman tells that will shock me. We have her video where she said she's no longer fighting for Biafra. She even went as far as saying that she will be a saboteur. If anybody dare to talk about Biafra or bring in Biafra, that she herself will be a saboteur. Not me saying that, this happened to be her own word. And I want you to hear that from her. Okay, because I can't go or come and go see go to guy no if
I'm willing to register humanitarian to help our people. Hence, all the register. I will write a contribution to help our people at home. All over the world. Humanitarian. Hence, all the register. Because I got tired. We're going to get for freedom now. You have to get for freedom. Your mind is go out there. They want the freedom. They make you a jail. Nobody can answer go down. Where's all to be? Anna Zotana, where's all you to be? In a book, you have freedom. Your land is going there. Go freedom. I'm not there for freedom again.
This is plain.
If you want to say something, say it. Don't dance around like somebody who has boil under his thighs.
She made it clear here that she is not for freedom again. I hope we heard it very, very well. Okay?
Sign to ya, call. It's your signature, ya. Ngozi Orabueze didn't sign anything.
Shut up, you know freedom.
I'm out for it. Anything saga. I'm out for it. Can we keep ourselves? Because that saga in Abba didn't name me and didn't name Pope. I don't know walk with Obatobia. No one I walk with you. And that because they walk with Obatobia. Okay, can I walk with Obatobia? They know us.
Here, she admits that Ngozi and Ogenkere are working with Obatobia. I got from anything saga. Okay, I know why I'm playing all this for you to just keep that for yourself and connect it to what she will say while playing the video that brought us here. Please make sure you like the video. In case if you have not, make sure you like the video and put your comment. Let us know what you think about it. Now I want you to listen to what she said here.
Every morning and all the information going about her, she don't care. She don't give a damn. So, I want to judge a talking terrorist woman. What are their destiny? Likely I go we know. Call what social media.
Good. She told that she don't care. But her number one prayer is that Ngozi should go out from social media. Not only her. Remember when Sona Barawa and Mazakwa, when they claimed that Obadobe told her to leave social media.
Yes. I don't go we know. Also we know no na yo otiwo na anya. Nandos Nava Meriba, Mandos of a baby also. Oh no, I can make case. No one even goes on a basic case.
Aguamunawa. That she will come out, they will come out with this propaganda. Negative.
They even also declare winner. This woman is evil. Very evil. Too much evil. Ngozi Orabueze follow Obatobie. Obatobie is a politician in Finland.
Get the
A year before Obatobie, began to vote. A year before Obatobie, tinye vote of declaration. Before a year dead. Obatobie began to vote. Obatobie na be on social media. Why put that near I resign on his political destiny or resign on just because of Biafra. Just because of Obatobie trust the criminals who surrender.
That is not what happened. Finnish government told PM to make a choice. Choose, and PM chose not to continue with with his political career in Finland. Not that Ngozi advised or anybody advised him to stop and all that. Finnish government requested for that. But see how this woman would use it.
All discussion with key cabinet members. And this criminal, Ngozi Orabueze supported him for him to resign. Don't want to go see a politician in America. Now, so Biafra. Who does that? What can a country woman? Almost some peace now 1 year now. I don't know. But and I'm anybody there for this criminal I won't do that much the back. What are you going to this? The first for this. On account of Neko, whether enough for her to sponsor her this thing. Okaja Oh, we know, even my or the other woke Biafra na social media. That's the other deputy.
What if this woman man chancha? Nothing. I'm telling you. Make it if arguments.
That's me I will cause up. It can never work. No one can match it. Almost some peace mean they for a notch.
Even agree.
If
If DPM decided not to talk about Biafra again today, anything, I don't see anything to hold on that. Yes, I don't see anybody to blame on that. And am I expecting her to continue? No, she's a human being. And if she continue, fine. But it is not a thing of shame that, oh, you supported her and now she's... If you actually know the stand of Mas Namodokano and his choice between Republican and Democrats in America, you understand that the choice of DPM is not just new. All these three leaders are actually very, very ready to work with Republican. That does not mean that Democrats should be ignored totally and all that, but politics is politics. You cannot just pretend that you know what you don't know.
all these things social media, social media on our use chat and dump over like a rack. Welcome, Master Alpha. I'm on a campaign in America. I'm on a campaign in America. Kind television, campaign in America.
Before Uncle Magan, I didn't go in your again na Trump inauguration. That Trump inauguration period that you were begging and almost shouting it on social media for DPM to bring you in because you want to go, you want to be part of it. Once that failed, that is when you started nursing your anger. You see? Listen to this woman.
She campaign in America. Or the Ghana Colos or Black Waka, here the campaign in America. I know inside that I don't worry. That I only good news very soon. I know good news what? Don't you like candidate and then due to the nationality, you can do whatever you want.
This is very funny.
You take contesting local destiny. You want to contest local destiny.
This is another part. That even DPM not contest with local destiny. She don't even know the position. But as long as it has to do with something good, she will spread her cobwebs to migrate it and hold it down. But she needs to understand that you are not talking to a fool. People actually know who you are. And of course, with what you represent. That is just the fact. So she's crying here, my people. She's crying, lamenting, and claiming that she knows what she don't know. Claiming to be what she is not. Lying for free. She's not lying for fun. Please make sure you like the video and let me know what you think about it. Why I'm even presenting this at all, because just to remind you that I told you yesterday that they will come out and make some crazy remark about that post. I've told you. Now this has come to pass. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about it. God bless you and good morning. Take care.